This is my crossbow gun. You pull it back like this. It's pretty handmade. Then you just put your dart in here. Then you just shoot. My brother was behind me. Sorry for that.
No, he doesn't have to.
See? Perfect. Got a scope here. It really does shoot very good. It has good accuracy. This is band right here. You just pull it back like this, load up your bullet, then boom! See? It's even loud. But this is just a very good one. Goodbye. See you tomorrow.